TLB City joining is free and it is always going to be free. But there are other things which are not directly related to author interviews. There may be other podcasts, there may be other things which you might want to promote. You want your book launch to be a memorable event. What can we do? What can we do for you? We can create a book blast. Trailers. We are going grand, and there can be nothing grander than the premium author service that we are planning for you. So, Sharad, please.
Yes, actually, this is a very special service which we will be providing soon. We have not started this program yet, but once our publishing house online website is set up, once our TLB City is registered as private limited, then only this premium membership catalog will be in full-fledged flow. So, as you can see, we'll be having many items like news cinematic videos created for you, banners and posters created for you, premium book trailers, instant book review promotion, book blast. These two are very special. In instant book review promotion, we are introducing for the first time promotion of your reviews on a grand scale, on the same day, on the same time, by more than 100 bookstagrammers or reviewers on a mass scale. I mean, on that particular day of you choosing, the entire social media will be flooded with your reviews of books. Book blast will be about your profile, about your books. Review circle room will be allotted to you as per your demand. Of offline author podcast will be there, just like we conducted last week for author Dipanshu. You can see his video, which will be released on YouTube most probably by tomorrow. The trailer will be released on Instagram. That is the promo of our offline author podcast. But this was the promo, and the original one, which will be having on a full-fledged scale. We'll guarantee you a full crowd with full visibility. Then creation of blog, rent a room in TLB City. We are also renting room. Whatever you want to do, you can do. Lifetime free membership. Everything will be included in this catalog, not on those prices which are mentioned. You can see that those prices are mentioned only if you take the individual ones. Because if we conduct individual, then our entire team has to be there. The expenditures will increase. So to lower the expenditures, we have promoted three types of plans: author plan alpha, author plan beta, and author plan gamma. Author plan alpha is for 1 year. If you take for 1 year, all the items which were mentioned just now earlier by me, instant book promotion, review promotion, book blast, review circle, rent a room, and all blah blah blah, everything will be provided for 1 year. Each item will be provided for one, and it will be approx 30% discount. Author plan beta, it's for 3 years. Now, everybody used to ask me, what are you promising? Are you promising to sell my book? I always say, I cannot promise to sell your book, because the selling of your book can only be determined if your book is of that quality. What TLB can do is only guarantee to promote your name, to promote your book. We can guarantee to make you a famous author by name. We cannot guarantee to make you a famous author if the content of the book is not so good. That's the simple truth. You cannot go in the market and ask someone, I want to make you sell my book a lot more. That is not possible at all. Nobody can do that for you. And if somebody is doing that, then that is a fake promise. I guarantee you. This I can guarantee you from my side. So in 1 year, author plan alpha, we guarantee you only one thing, that within 1 year, each and every bookstagrammer, reviewer, or any reader, not just reviewers and bookstagrammers, any reader who is on social media, they will get to see your profile and they'll get to see your visibility of your book. At least they will, in future, they might say, yes, I have seen this author, I have seen this book. In author plan beta, it's a 3-year course, just like BTech you do. Okay, the first year was a diploma, 1 year diploma. This is a 3-year course. In this, we'll promise. You can see there, in this plan, we guarantee to establish you as a famous author. So this plan, I will incorporate for myself also, don't worry, because this plan has not started yet. Once this plan starts, the first to be experimented on will be me only. Because my managers, whenever they experiment something, any new program, any new website, even the website first was created on me. You can see my authorsharad.com. That was the experiment website which Sonal created, and then it was made for other people. So the same thing will be done for me. If you want to wait for 3 years, you wait for 3 years, see my profile. Because the same thing will be conducted for me. Of course, I will conduct for myself. It's my city, which I have started. Now, in Author Plan Gamma, that's the plan for 5 years. In this plan, in the earlier plan beta, we already told that we will establish you as a famous author. Famous author means everybody will know your name. Okay. There's a difference between famous and renowned author. Renowned author is like everybody knows here the name of Chetan Bhagat. Okay. Chetan Bhagat, everybody knows him. Because he's not just famous, he's renowned also. Because the people are loving his books. It's not just the name, yeah, this author I've heard. So in Author Plan Beta, the earlier one, we'll make you a famous author. It means your name will be known to everyone. Now, after knowing the name, the readers, they will scroll through your name on Google. If they will find your book, they will try to buy it, or they will read the blurb of your book. If they like it, then they will buy it. It's upon them. But you will be famous in 3 years. That's like a BTech degree which we are offering. And then this is the biggest plan which we can offer to all the authors, which I'll of course experiment on myself first. So wait for 5 years if you want. Don't worry. That is to make renowned, because every year we'll be conducting all those things plus many other things which we have not yet added. Because the moment we get ideas, because the ideas which I have incorporated in this entire city is not a copy from anywhere. Every idea is new, every idea is unique, and I try to incorporate it in the best possible manner in front of everyone in this WhatsApp community. In other publishing houses, if you go, they will promise you to do this and that, but you won't get to see what is being done in the background. Here, we allot you for each and every project a simple room with all the people involved in it. Until and unless the process is completed, you don't have to pay back in full. That's the simple truth. Even people who have taken many projects of us, like author Ravi, he has taken an editing project with us, so he's getting his book edited in the room. Now there's one more thing. You are in the public community. We also have a private community now. TLB City has a public area, just like the government. You see, in the government you cannot go in the governor house. Those areas are private. Okay. Similarly, we have built a private community. In that, we have some 14-15 rooms. Each room is allotted to any project. Whenever a project is assigned to us, we shift the author, we shift the people involved who are making the project. Once the project is completed, then only the author has to pay for the program project. If suppose you wanted to get a video edited, and if you don't like it, then we always ask the author, if you don't want, we can have it made by another freelancer or have it made again. So that is the benefit you have here. Okay, that is the benefit you have here. You can have your project made again. If you don't like it, you can have it edited, revised again. But once it is finalized from your end, that's the end, because we cannot involve again the same thing. So until and unless the customer is satisfied, that's the end. Anything else left, or should we go for the break? Because I've already said a lot.
Picture abhi baki hai, mere dost.
What's this?
Enjoy this short break.
Okay.
Yeah. So I hope everybody had a good time in the break. The break was not basically to eat. The break was to connect, to watch what we have put forward, to interact with people, to make new connections, to make new friends. And as I just found out, one of the very prominent members of TLB doesn't know that I am also an author. So this is a very grave transgression, and we will correct it very shortly. So what remains in our program today is the actual annual awards.
Hello everyone, and I literally sacrificed my samosa, so I expect a word of appreciation or two. And this is the time for something which we all were waiting and planning, mahino ki planning hai usme. And this is our TLB Annual Awards. For this, first of all, I would like to call our General Manager, Ankita Singh, on stage. Over to you, Ankita.
Hello everyone, I am Ankita Singh, the General Manager of TLB. Thank you so much for joining us today and making this event even more special and exciting. So as Shreya said, this is the time for award. I would like to call our founder and brand ambassador of TLB for distributing the awards.
And now comes the time. First, we have some literature awards. And any guesses? I would just say the category and let's make it more interacting क्योंकि मुझे भी उबासी आ जाएगी. So first is author of the year, fiction. You can guess, wild guesses. And it goes to my personal favorite, Dr. Swamini Chopra Salam.
So this is the trophy which we are awarding our best author of the year, fiction category, and a cash prize of 2,000 rupees.
The winner gets a trophy, a certificate, and a cash prize of 2,000 rupees. The next category, again, make wild guesses. Best author of the year, non-fiction. I would give a hint to the author who said his whole genre is non-fiction in the author snippet. Best author of the year, non-fiction, goes to L. Venkata Subramanian.
And let me tell you, he won a lot of votes in the author's reality show. I mean, it was mind-blowing. In main room, votes were pouring onto him like hell. Like I thought that, how do all of you know him? Even I was trying to know him, scrolling through bits and there, and people are voting for him like, oh my god. So, yes.
I voted for you. And to the authors who couldn't come today, we would courier you your trophies.
And the prize.
And the certificate, trophy, everything. Thank you, sir. The next category is Best Poet of the Year. Any guesses? If you are a part of the Poets Room, so Best Poet of the Year goes to author Mohan Palya. Author Mohan Palya, you will get a courier soon. You will hear from us.
The participants who are winning their trophy, certificate, it will be sent to their home address, so you don't have to worry. We are live streaming you. You have won the award.
Popularity is something we all need. And the next award is for Most Popular Author of the Year in TLB. Now at least you can take your all names. Who's a bookstagrammer, who's an author, who connects, who networks.
So in TLB, also explain in TLB how she became most popular. From TLB reality show, she was the main focus when she was in TLB reality show. So this is how we got the most popular author of the year.
So Most Popular Author of the Year in TLB goes to author Shipra Sharma. We can clearly see she wasn't expecting this award.
She also was in reality show.
And she's the winner of our reality show and votes were pouring for her. Thank you, ma'am. The next category is Best Writer of the Year. And currently she's not among us, but Best Writer of the Year in TLB goes to Ruchi Thakur.
Author Ruchi Thakur, this is for you.
You'll hear from us. Art, you can see all around us are TLB artists and the art. And the next category is Artists Award. On number 1, we have Best Pen Art Sketch of TLB. If the artist is among us, do come. Nitin Singh Chauhan.
I think we have a sketch of him also. There's a cat there somewhere.
Please check all the art forms out. The next category is Color Pencil Sketch Competition and the winner is Pranav Changra. Pranav, sadly you're not here. Again, you'll hear from us. The next category is Graphite Pencil Sketch and it goes to Amitoj Singh. Amitoj Singh, you will hear from us. Now it's painting competition and the winner is Ranjita Sharma.
Since our artists, most of our artists are kids, they are not able to come to a different city. When they will grow, of course, they will come in future. But for now, we'll be sending all the certificates and all to their homes. So no need to be like people have not come. Actually, they are kids. Some are 16, 14, 15-year-old kids. That is the thing with. Yes, please. Yes, sure.
When you are announcing the winners, it would be. No, it's not my.
It's okay. We can hear it.
Louder enough. It would be great if you could the authors, the book, the picture of the book is there.
No, again in that we'll have to shut off the lights.
Okay.
Then the award show we cannot see the face.
Oh,
This is the main highlight, today's main highlight of the annual awards event. Yeah, we can edit in the video, but we will not be able to see the faces again. That's the thing.
Last is the digital art category, and the award goes to Madhumita. Madhumita, you will be hearing from us. And TLB has its own musician group, which you would know later or sooner. And the best musician of TLB goes to Triparna Mukherjee. Triparna, you are one of my favorites. Chess championship was something which we all saw for months and months and months. And now our emerging champion, the Chess Champion Award, goes to Yashwant Krishna BL. You will get a parcel. To raise a company, it needs a strong management and it needs a strong core. Without our core, we are nothing. And the next 5 awards goes to our beautiful managers. Number one, I have the most influential employee of the year and my personal best friend, Yumna Fatima Hussain. Authors, we all need marketing. Artists, musicians, we need marketing. And the next award is Marketing Genius Employee of the Year, Jyotishmita Datta. Jyoti, you should have come.
Your award.
I will keep it. People's Choice Employee of the Year was, in my opinion, the most important award. And it goes to none other than Sonia Sharma. You see all the tech around you, all the technology, PDFs, PPTs, all the beautiful edits you see. One and the only man. And now he has an army under him. So the most valuable employee of the year goes to Dr. Abhinav Atul. You know, when you know a doctor with injection also writes romance, wow, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Efficiency is very important and we can't afford to make mistakes. And the last and foremost award goes to the most efficient employee of the year, Ankita Singh. With this, our ceremony gets over for the award. We'll have to sit a little. And there was no award for slaying, so unfortunately I don't get one.
I'll start with important announcement first. Today, we are announcing our TLB Prime company, the first company which trusted in us long way ago in November, December 2024. The Author's Nest. Today, we are announcing Author's Nest as our lifetime TLB Prime company membership. This is the award which we are giving to this company. No more membership has to be taken by this company forever. We'll forever promote you, your contents will forever be promoted. TLB is now your official platform for promotion forever. So, a big round of applause for Author's Nest. They have a lot of stores here in Delhi too, self-help bookstores. It's in Pacific Mall, in Freedompura, it's in Noida and all. You can see there are 3-4 bookstores there, self-help bookstores. We'll be having a photo shoot
So thank you so much. Thank you everybody for taking the time off from your day to become a part of this TLB annual event 2025. We of course will meet again next year, maybe on 19th of July or maybe on the same week. But it is our assumption, it is our hope that the gathering will be much larger, the venue will be much grander. With that, I bid you goodbye. We will be here, we will talk, we will shoot photos, and we will have fun. Keep reading, keep your passion alive, and stay with TLB. Thank you so much. This is Dr. Abhitav Basu signing off, and Sharat is here with another announcement.
For photo shoot, we'll have photo shoot. All the categories in one place.
Hello everyone, I would request you to head towards the designated spot, that's the table spot, where the books are arranged for the photo shoot.